Hello everyone. So we are back with another video. Now, look at these beautiful creatures. And as you know, it is winter time in Oman. They're here from far away land. So they prefer this winter time in Oman. And they are trying to escape the icy winters of the northern region. These are the jet powered gull. You can see them, right? They're across the blue miles and they relax for a while along the coast. They look beautiful, don't they? And they come from far away land, every winter. They'll be returning soon, like say around the fall of autumn. And watching these white feathered beautiful birds, the beautiful seagulls, I mean, people just enjoy this. Most of the people are here just to watch them. So we're here also to watch them. They are beautiful. We just love this scene. They're around the fish market and trying to get some fishes from inside. You'll see how they get them and how they enjoy the fishes.
Thank you.